Yeshiva World.
It's breaking right now on the West Side Highway. The fire department is there trying to solve this flood. The stores are flooded around here. Everybody's flooded. These guys are doing a great job trying to keep the drains open, but at this point it's really bad. You can see it. Look at all the sanitation trying to get through. And it's shut down over here. Completely shut down. I feel like we need life vests over here. A few minutes ago, I was on Instagram Live, and you were able to see. Look, all these buildings here are underwater at this time. And the water's only getting heavier and nobody's moving. So you could see the police barricades underwater.